Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. What is a Japanese garden? The Japanese garden style brings tranquility and calm in all seasons with its distinctive elements and Zen concepts. You are looking at one of the most beautiful and inspiring approaches to gardening that can transform your mental and spiritual life for the better. Explore now Japanese garden ideas and discover useful tips on how to create a Japanese garden in your backyard. Less is more when it comes to a Japanese garden. To the uninitiated, it may seem empty, but for the Japanese, empty space is a feature in its own right. In this style, features of the garden embody the landscape they came from and the natural elements they are made of. With its Eastern charm, a Japanese garden combines particular elements, traditions, and concepts into an aesthetic style that soothes the mind and, at the same time, challenges it. In contrast to a Western garden, a Japanese garden can be enjoyed in every season. What's more, it's not likely to feel outdated anytime soon. A rock becomes a mountain, a fountain becomes a river, and a potted plant becomes a tree. With this in mind, lines and angles should not feel fabricated. All elements must feel natural and imperfections retained. Besides that, you will notice that Japanese gardens are ordinarily enclosed. It is rare to see these gardens open to the world. Customarily, gardens like these are surrounded by walls to ensure that outside factors will not disturb its balance. There are several types of Japanese gardens, such as tea gardens, zen or dry rock gardens, or walking gardens. Though naturally asymmetric and dry rock gardens are often the best choice for your home and backyard. What matters is your ingenuity in combining classic design ideas.